Alright, this is another elevator here at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. Got some more Montgomery KONE glass overs to ride. 3. Let's look out the window and listen to this motor. Here at 3, going down. Which one are you headed? 2 or 1?
Basement and first floor.
First floor? Okay. We'll look up this side. Here's the other elevator there.
Yeah.
Yep. You see the escalators there. And there's not much to see, so over here. And here we are. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
No problem. Let me get a cab view here really quickly. Oops. It's a nice cab, same thing like the other ones. Let's go to 3 and let's listen to this motor again. Wow, big motor. No problem. Alright, now we're gonna go ride the other one. There goes that one. Let's go ride this one now. These are both on the same, oh no, separate controllers actually. Don't know how long we're gonna wait till it gets here. Oh no, here it comes now. Here it is. Oh, going down?
Yes.
Yep.
Let's go down.
Thanks.
Thank you.
2 or 1?
1, thanks.
Okay.
I'll get you the red one, and then I'll pay you the auto bay,
What red one is there?
the carpet.
Yeah, I mean, I know the red one, I know the
It's
green
the
one.
second to smallest one, so
I
it's not the
know.
rudder. There are 3 other sizes. There are 4 sizes in total. They're not 3, 4 sizes. It's the second to smallest. The rudder is the smallest.
And these things are slow.
The second one to the runner.
Yeah.
ايه خلص فعلا. بدك تضلني ناطرة روح بيك تبع وراي هون.
Let's see how quick they'll do it for me.
Okay.
Probably
You go
I'll
with
finish
that.
before you.
Okay.
Okay, then I'm just gonna go.
Here you go.
مسلي.
Alright guys, I'm back now. Let's get a cab view here real quick. Same thing like the other one, once again. Shoe indicator, older innovation buttons, 8,000 pound capacity, 88 phone, good COP. Let's listen to the motor. Here are 3, 1. Watch the indicator this time. Although I gotta say for these elevators, these are very nice elevators. Although they're very slow and they get busy sometimes, but they run very well. Although the motor kind of sounds like it's vibrating. And this is the one that has the sick chime. Yeah, that's sick 4 factor chime though. Here at 1, watch the button go out. There we go. Now we will watch it close up. Your lantern right there. There it goes in. Oh, that'll be it.